Hello and welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. We have a question that says a factory is to be set up for processing hard nuts. The factory process will consist of the following units. So we have from A, that is raw nut storage yard, then B, the tipper weigh bridge, which is used to determine the weight of the nuts from the yard, and the final one is storage and shipping bay. So we are told use the AutoCAD to draw in good proportion the plant layout of the factory, including the essential skills. Note here, in good proportion means after drawing the parts that you've drawn or the units that you have drawn can fit on paper. Now let's come to AutoCAD. So the first one is the storage yard. So you can draw it by a symbol of a rectangle. That is the storage yard. Let's say that's the storage yard. Then after the storage yard, we have the weigh bridge. We have the weigh bridge. We have the weigh bridge. Yes. Then after the weigh bridge, we have a conveyor. We have a conveyor. After the weigh bridge, we have the conveyor. So let's copy this. After the conveyor, we have the moisture eliminator. We have the moisture eliminator. So the moisture eliminator. So this is So let's say that's the moisture eliminator. Then after the moisture eliminator, we have the dryer. After the moisture eliminator, we have the dryer. So for the dryer, I created a layer here. So let me put this there. So we have a dryer. Then after the dryer, we have the nut cracker. That is the nut cracker. So that's the nut cracker. Then we have the grading machine. Grading machine. Then we have the chiller. Then so for the chiller, let me go and play again. finally we have the store. And finally we have the store. We have the store. So after drawing this, we need to put text to show the processes that are going in each and every stage. So the first one here, we have the storage yard. Yes. You can say this is the storage yard. Then we have here the weighbridge. After the weighbridge, we have the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. Then after the conveyor belt, we have the moisture eliminator. Then after the moisture eliminator, we have the dryer. Grading machine. Then we have the chiller. So at this point we have the chiller, and finally we have the store. Place outside, then escape. Now we have all these units, but we need to put arrows to show the process how they are going. So you come to this leader, click on the leader, then click on the end point, then the start point. So we have our leader here. You can see the arrow is pointing towards the next section. Escape. Then pick the leader again, end point, then start point. Escape. Enter. End point, then the start point, escape, enter, end point, start point, escape, enter, end point, start point, escape, enter, end point, then start point, end point, start point. So we are done with drawing each unit and the arrows showing how the processes are going. Now if you are keen, you realize that the arrows are not much visible. The arrows here, they are not much visible when they are in that form. So you come to this section of annotations. Come to annotations. Then on this part that is drawn the leader, click on it. Then this multi-leader style manager will pop up. Then come to modify. So in the leader format, there is a section here that says arrowhead. So the symbol must be close filled and the size. So this is the part whereby we can increase the size of our leader. So in this case the ratio is 1 to 1. So we can increase the ratio, let's say 30. Let's say 30. Then click on OK. Then set current. Then close. You realize that the size of the arrows has increased a little bit. So if you want to increase the size of the arrows more again, so come here, standard, then modify. Then on the leader format, you can still increase the size here from 30 to 40. Okay. Then set as current. Then close. You realize that it has increased even further. So it depending on how you want its size to be, you can put any ratio that you want. So modify again. Let's say we put here now, let's say 60. Okay. Set current, then close. So the arrow now is a little bit bigger enough. Now from each and every stage, we need to put the essential services that are taking place, or the processes that are taking place. So let's say from this section here, we can put a text in this part. Let's say we say it is weight determination. Then this part we say moving nuts. Moving nuts to moisture eliminator. Then this part you can say reduce a percentage of moisture. Then this part you can say it is complete drying of nuts. Then this part we say it is cracking of nuts. Then this one is sorting. And grading. Sorting and grading. Then this part is cooling of the nuts. And then finally we have here the final stage, which is storage and shipping. So click on this part, then escape. So we have all the units drawn, the processes that are taking place, and the direction of the processes as they go. Now, what else are you expected to do? So you need to save your work on your file, not really the file but the folder, and also you need to print. So for example, if we want to print what is displayed on the screen, so you come to this part that says plot, click on plot, then on the printer or the plotter we select AWG to PDF. Then the paper size, actually the paper size is preferred to be ISO A4, that is 297 by 210. Then we need to draw the extents of what is displayed on the screen, then fit to paper, then center the plot. So if we say we preview our work, this is what we shall print as the work that we have made. So if you're fine with your work, you just say okay.